In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video link on Linktree. You can see this is my Linktree account, so I want to add a YouTube link, right? So now you can see this is a YouTube link add option. This is your bio, then your profile picture, and any others. So I click here, then here are type YouTube video. Okay, now paste your targeted URL. So I copy a video from my timeline on YouTube. So I copy this YouTube link. Keep in mind this is only for example purpose. So now just paste here your targeted URL. Wow, now click on enter. Okay, you can see it's already working. Open YouTube profile, then display on my video on Linktree. So okay, this is number two option are best for me. Now just skip this option. Now just you need to share a link. You can see this is option, share it your link. This is option, finish setup and get link. You can see this is my link. So I am going to my another web browser, then paste here, then click on enter. If I click on enter, I'm going to this my profile. You can see now if somebody click on YouTube videos, then they are going to my targeted videos. So this is a method how you can add a YouTube video on Linktree. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.